Someone asked on here a while back about this custom hand signal wheel thingy. And I have started messing with it, and I'm just working down through it now. So I'll just show you what I'm doing. Hopefully that helps other people do it. So you can adjust it so that it only shows the number of icons that you want. I've decided I want 7, and I've made up my own icons and put them in an images folder in the mission file. So I have a few things here that I put on billboards in the setup area, and then I made up these ones. Now these I just made up in Paint, because I started googling military images of symbols for hand signals, and yeah, you either end up with cartoony things like they have in the game, or you end up with NATO map symbols, which are just kind of meaningless to the average person. So I made up these ones, which I thought would roughly work for the signals that we would want. Move out, take cover, enemy detected, which for our purposes would be like when you hear voices in the jungle and stuff like that. Enemy seen or enemy close, which is the oh shit. Halt, rally point, which is a specific place in my missions. Regroup, which we actually use quite often, and move out. And add more onto that as needed, but I think these are the basic core ones that we'd need. Now I've done them in missions, you'll see how I've already done the first 2. The next one I'm going to do is, what have I done? Regroup, move out, I'll do halt. Whoops. And I'll change this to the images folder in the thing, and I'll change that to halt, which is the name of my file. Halt capitalized, just because you always shout halt for whatever reason. Not sure if that makes a difference, but I'll capitalize it anyway. Halt. So that means one is the icon that shows in the menu when you bring it up, and the other is the icon that is spread to everyone when they get the signal. So I'm just standardizing it, so I'm not sure which is which, but I'm just using both the same. And I want to use the hand signal animation for halt, which is going to be one of these other ones. Not freeze. Huh. Signal spotted. Ah, sugar. I might have already overwritten it. For the purpose of this, I'll just use hand signal freeze. Signal freeze, and you can put your own text in here, which I'll just say as halt. Bloody American keyboards. And now you'll see, so the original, I can't even remember what it was there, but the original will have been overwritten with this for the top 3 icons now will be unique to me. And you'll see when it says max icons, yeah, it just does as it says there. It only shows the first 7 and ignores everything after icon number 7. I've no idea what these do. Icon 3, icon 4, maybe they changed the order, actually. I'll play with that in a minute. Actually, feck it. Oh no, it gives you no option. So you can't, I don't know what they do. Alright, I'll put this dude in here just for the testing purposes. Go. Here I be. Signals. For some reason now I changed the regroup symbol to something less colorful and annoying. But here's move out, and here's halt. You can see my text reads halt, text reads move out. These are pretty obvious and self-explanatory, whereas you have to pretty much look at these to try and figure out what the hell they are every time. Halt. Regroup. Sorry, move out. And regroup. And I think if I close it down and restart, it'll use the correct regroup symbol. Now they're a bit colorful and cartoony, but they're a little bit better, I think, than this, which basically means you have to squint at it to see what the actual hand signal is, and then you're squinting to read the text. It's not quite obvious what it's actually saying. Halt. I wonder what I look like. I'll have to test these with other people, which I haven't done yet, but as far as I can tell now in single player, it appears to work. So that's how I did it.